I'm Kate and I'm delighted to be working with Seasalt again. I am here today to teach you how to make another crafty project, which is a lovely wreath, like this one here, using old socks. So what you will need is some socks. You can have old socks, odd socks, socks that are a bit worn out and need a new lease of life. Just make sure they're washed before you use them. A hoop of some sort. I've got part of an embroidery hoop here, but you can use some wire and you can twist it into a circle or a star or a heart if you wanted to, anything kind of circular or like that. Some scissors and some string or some ribbon. Let's get started. So what you need to do is take a sock and begin by cutting off the ankle band. Like that. You'll need that later, so keep that safe. And then you just need to cut the sock into strips, roughly 1.5 to 2 centimeters wide, all the way down to the heel piece. There we go. Once you've done that, you can snip the heel piece off. If you cut it down and make sure you keep thin piece all the way down to that point there. We'll need that in a moment too. And then continue to cut strips like this all the way down to the toe piece. There we go. So now we've got lots of strips of the sock. The next thing you need to do is take each of those and cut them like this, so that they can be opened out into long strips like that. So you need to do that for all of the pieces that you've cut and then for all the socks that you have as well. So you'll end up with lots of strips of sock fabric. Right, so now I've got lots of strips of the sock fabric, and the next step is to take one at a time and tie them around the hoop. So you just lay it underneath and tie a single knot like this. Doesn't need to be too tight, and just keep working your way around the hoop. There we go. I like to, you can have like a, if they've got all completely different odd socks, then it will look really nice because you'll have a really kind of mishmash colour theme. But if you have got all like just white socks, that would look really nice. Anything would work with this. It really doesn't matter. There we go. It doesn't take very long at all. Just keep working your way around. And then once you've got a few pieces on, you can just kind of bunch them up together like that so that they're on nice, so it's kind of nice and dense. So then after a while, you'll find that you have something a little bit like this. You'll notice on here that I've also got some berries. So I've made those using the heel pieces. I'll make another one now to show you. So you take one of the heel pieces like this, and then what you need to do is snip the crease there in the narrow piece and open it out. So this is going to be a green berry. And then inside that piece of the heel, if you just take another piece of sock, so it could be a toe or one of the ankle pieces, and pop that in there like that. And then with these two ends, you can tie it in quite a tight knot, like so. And then if you turn it over, you've got what's now going to be a berry. And then bring it over to your wreath and then tie these two thin bits here around and in a single knot, oops, at the back, like so. There we go. So keep going with those, pop as many berries on as you like. Once you've finished, you might find that it looks a little bit lopsided, so you might think, oh, actually, the bit in the middle doesn't look very circular, or it's a bit more bushy on one side. So you can just take your scissors and trim off wherever you think you need to make it look a bit more, bit neater. Finally, you just need to cut a length of string or ribbon to hang it up with. There we go, ta-da! We'd love to see your makes, so don't forget to tag Seasalt on any social media posts that you do, and remember to use the hashtag #SeasaltArtsClub. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. Take care, goodbye.